Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. So something a little bit different today. Today I got a little prezzy in the mail. Well, you call it prezzy I suppose. But check it. That is, I hope you guys can guess what that is, but this is a Hoselink reel. So let's open her up. So yeah, I already under the top. Let's just turn over and off. Oh wow, look at that. So first thing, put our instruction manuals. Bit of this styrofoam stuff that the kids seem to love mucking around with. Always. Oh, and here it is. Make sure you bend your knees. How am I supposed to get this out? There we go. Look at this. It's probably an easier way to do this. Oh, get out of here. There it is. Yes. Sorted. Now, just so you guys know, I emailed Hoselink about one of these. I've been wanting one of these for years. I've just, I never got around to purchasing one because my silly little hose always blows off when I'm trying to do things. Especially when I'm trying to fill up my knapsack to water stuff, it always blows off in my face. Anyway, I'm not wet. I'm glad to get rid of that thing and have something that actually doesn't blow off like that. Now, I'm going to test it out and see if it actually does work like that. But let's first install it and then we'll go from there. But just so you guys all know, I did get this for free, but I asked for it. I actually contacted Hoselink because I was going to buy one anyway. I thought, you know what, I might just contact Hoselink and see if, they want to give me a free one just to show off on the channel. And they came to the table, so I was really excited about that. And hold up. So yeah, I was really excited about that, and also I really like what Hoselink is about. I've been on their Facebook page and had a look at all the comments on there from customers and stuff, and they're really good with customer service and helping out customers when they've got a faulty issue with their things. And they normally just replace something straight away, and they're a family owned business as well, which I'm really really into that sort of thing. So keen on using this thing and having it at home and using it on the channel. Okay, so let's get this started. So I'm going to place it here. So I'll put this thing in, we'll mark out where I want it, just on one hole. There's an actual YouTube video with the Hoselink guys doing this, so I'm not going to go in depth. So mark out the first hole, and then we're going to drill it.
Last night you caught my eye, so fly, oh my, I've been thinking about you all night, I can't get you off my mind. I'm out on deep water, it's too late, I've crossed the border, I'm bitten hard by you.
Okay, so the moment of truth where we put it on. Probably could have put it a little bit lower. How cool is that? It swivels. Right, these things are just fancy. Too fancy for me. It's actually probably a good height because my sprinklers are down there a bit more, so there's more of a chance that the hidden sprinklers if I have it down there, so I don't know. I'm just saying that so it makes myself feel better for stuffing up. Anyway, so that slots on like that. And then this one, with their crazy little non-leaky attachment things, I'm guessing you line it up. Yeah, so on the other side, this little, I'll show you, I'll twist it. Little white thing there, there's a technical term. You just hook it up and twist. Oh, easy as. I like it. I like it. Is that right? Have I done the right thing? Or was it this one? No, it's this one. There we go. Cool. Look at that. How good is that? So the biggest difference between Hoselink and other brands are that, well, that hose connector that I showed you before, like the bayonet design where you twist it and lock it in, that is the big difference with Hoselink and other brands that you see out there, which is why I'm pretty excited about this product too. And this is not a sales pitch, by the way. I actually legitimately am excited about it. But yeah, you twist it in, and they're water saving as well because they don't leak. So, really good for the environment. We'll really be thinking about water saving at the moment because you guys know we're in drought. I'm in an area here where we get not much rain, and the farmers around here are struggling big time. So yeah, I think it's a really cool design, really excited about it, and my wife's pretty excited because it's not going to blow in her face when she's watering the veggie patch over there. Oh, that's what that extra bit was for, to go into the gun. Boom, boy. Righty, so let's turn it on and give it a crack. Hang on. Hey! I had to open it. That'll work. Hey! Man, that feels solid. Oh! Right, so that's how that works. Oh mate, I'm keen for that. That is so good. So you must pull it out, locks, and then pull it back. Oh, that is really awesome. Now I'm gonna pull this out and see what it does. How it goes. That's awesome. Love it. So the main reasons I wanted a Hoselink system is, for one, so it didn't actually break off at the point there like that and smash me in the face, or just smash me somewhere. And so my wife can ignore the sheets on there. She won't like it that I'm showing you that. But so we can water the veggie patch over there, and so I can water all my hedges along here, which are looking a bit sad at the moment, so I've got to kick them into gear with something. But my new, do you see this? Got some new rose bushes, guys. You guys were bagging me out on Facebook for ages for not having anything up the back there, so I got some rose bushes. I might put some little ground covering plants in there, we'll see how we go. But yeah, so I can do things like that. And I actually hand water quite a lot of patches on my lawn as well, because the sprinklers don't always hit every single area. And when we get rain, I don't tend to water my lawn, and under the actual eaves and stuff down there needs some hand watering. So that's the big reason I wanted to get one of these. And I kept walking around with my other one, and it kept blowing off every time I got around the corner and up into further sections in the backyard, like the corners there. Like, it's a pain in the bum. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go check out Hoselink, go check out their Facebook page too, just if you want to make sure the customer service is legit. But it is. I've gone on their Facebook page and people go on about it and rave about it, and they love it. So they're good company, and yeah, I'm excited to be working with them. So thanks guys so much. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and you have a good week. Hey! Get ahead of it. Hey!